Congratulations, your baby is now 1. And in this video, I'm gonna show you some everyday activities that you can start doing right now with your 1-year-old. Well, my name is Brianna, and I want to welcome you to the Brown Bear Book Club, where we share books and activity ideas for young children. I have 2 kids of my own, and I have one that just turned 1 and one that is 3. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy activities like this. So let's get right into it. So the first activity idea is music. So you can do pots and pans music, oats, opals and bananas. You can do music where you're making instruments. Another activity paired with your shapes book, you can do a shape sorter. And this one has the alphabet and it has music. And you just put the shapes in there. So you just take the shapes out. And you can just put the shapes in like that. Other one is basically where you're going to be naming objects. So this is like a mystery box that you can do with your toddler, your little young toddler, and you can put different things that you find in any book. But I just love this book because this one just has all the cool different objects, and it just really gives you the ideas. And one of my favorite activities to do with not just 1-year-olds, but children is going outside. There is so much in the outdoors. I mean, from vitamin D to just helping with the overall mood of the day. And if you've been liking this content so far, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. So let's go to the next one. This next one is painting, and this is painting with a twist. So you can totally use body parts. This is the age where you want to start naming and labeling body parts. I love, love, love this book because it talks about counting toes. So why not use those same toes you read about to paint with? Use an art smock and paper, and there you go. This is also another year where you're going to be labeling and naming people in your family. And this is a perfect book to create you a family photo album. You can create one where you print off and put it in an album. Or next activity is Pig Takes a Bath. Use bath time as learning opportunities. So this book is great because it definitely prepares them for bath time in a fun way, but you can put other objects in the bathtub like boats and animals and foam letters. Another activity is going places that your book talks about. So taking your baby to farms like Old MacDonald, taking them to a farm, sing about the farm, or other places that you find in your books that you read. Another activity is just using a sensory tub and filling it up. Once again, this is an age where we're doing lots of fine motor stuff, so you can get stacking cups. And they're stacking, and of course they're gonna love to knock it down. You can hide objects inside of the stacking cups. Also creating sensory bottles. This is a fall sensory bottle that I actually did with my oldest child, and now I can do it with my youngest one. Another really fun activity is this tap and turn table. So you can either hit it or young children can turn it. So this is great once again for fine motor, for cause and effect, for talking about what they're doing, especially if you have a young child that really enjoys banging and discovering new things. So by using a simple jar, you can put things in there like balls that are big enough that are not choking hazards. Put them in there and see if your 1-year-old can get it out. And you can put other little objects that are big enough that are not a choking hazard that they can easily take in and out. And another fun activity is puzzles. Puzzles with knobs are great for 1-year-olds because it's easy for them to put it on and then also start figuring out how to put it back. So question of the day, what are some things that you're most excited to do with your 1-year-old? What types of things is your 1-year-old already interested in? And are you a parent or perhaps an infant toddler teacher, or are you a grandparent, a guardian? Let me know in the chat below. And also, I want to let you know that you can sign up freely to the Brown Bear Book Club right now for free. And all that means is that you get access to more resources, more tools, books, activity ideas that's going to help you with your work with young children. I'll see you guys again another time. Bye.